Now my dear students, we can see this question number 31 which is asked in NEET 2016. My dear students, what is the concept of this question? Because when you see this question, the correct order of strength of the carboxylic acid, this question wants you to learn the order of strength of carboxylic acid. That's why my dear students, you can here see the concept which is given by me. That concept is that here acidity of carboxylic acid, my dear students, acidity of carboxylic acid. Here you can see in all options here COOH group is present in this compound, one COOH group is present in second compound with oxygen atom, and here COOH group is present with this oxygen atom. Now this is acidity of carboxylic acid. Acidity of carboxylic acid is proportional to minus I effect. It is proportional to minus I effect. My dear students, what is the minus I effect? In small, I can here teach you. When any functional group attract this bond pair of electrons, then negative charge is present on that functional group and positive charges are present on this carbonium cations. So my dear students, here you can see after this third carbon atom, this positive charge, effect of this positive charge is neutralized. So you can see here, my dear students, that negative charge present on this function group because it attracts the lone pair of electrons. So this is called minus I effect. So it is called, my dear student, it is called minus I effect. And due to this minus I effect, my dear students, this minus I effect is proportional to acidity of carboxylic acid. Now here when we can see this question number 31, here this oxygen atom attracts the lone pair of electrons. Why? Because this oxygen atom electronegativity is 3.5. So electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 electron volt. That's why this oxygen attracts the electrons, and due to the attacks of electron, negative charge develop on this oxygen atom, and here in this carbocation positive charge is developed. So this acid is become more acidic in nature due to this number 1. Here no oxygen atom is present, or no that function group is present in which negative charge is developed. So my dear students, when minus I effect is developed in this compound, so this compound is a more acidic, means 2 is more acidic. But you can see here, my dear students, in third example, oxygen atom is also present. What is the difference between this 2 and 3? You can see here very minutely you observe that carbon atom is far away from this COOH group. Here 1 carbon atom and 2 carbon atom. After 2 carbon atom, oxygen atom is present. And here this is 1 carbon atom, my dear student, this is 2, and this is 3 carbon atom. After third carbon atom, this oxygen is present. So my dear students, here this effect is in this carbon atom. After third carbon atom, this effect is 0, because here this effect is only present third carbon atom 1, 2 and 3. After third carbon atom, this effect is 0. So my dear students, in this effect is very negligible or equal to 0, but some effect is present because oxygen is present in this compound. So my dear students, answer is 2. Most acidic is this 2 and then 3, and here you can see here no oxygen atom is present or no minus I effect group is present in this compound. So this is a less acidic. So my dear students, you can go answer B, and this is the correct answer 31B, and this question was in NEET 2016. Now my dear students, when we see the question number, that is 32, you can see the question number 32, that is 32 question, the correct order of decreasing acid strength of dichloro acid, means concept is same, my dear students. You can see all questions are come from the acidity of carboxylic acid. Then you must learn this concept, acidity of carboxylic acid, acidity of carboxylic acid COOH is proportional to minus I effect, and minus I effect negative inductive effect. Here my dear students, we can write the structure formula of A, and A is the trichloroacetic acid, CCl3, COOH is called trichloroacetic acid. Here my dear students, B is the trifluoroacetic acid, CF3, COOH is called trifluoroacetic acid. Here you can see the C option, it is a acetic acid, CS3, COOH, and here option is the D, and it is the formic acid, HCOOH. Here my dear students, you can see that this fluorine atom attracts the electron, and electronegativity of this fluorine is 4.0 electron volt. So here 3 fluorine atoms are present. Then due to this 3 fluorine atoms, this acid is most acidic in nature, and this fluorine is produced the minus I effect. So my dear students, here this fluorine produce the minus I effect, and when this fluorine produce the minus I effect, then you can show the, due to this minus I effect, you can show the trifluoroacetic acid is the most acidic nature. So B is the most acidic nature, then you can go to the A option, because here 3 Cl groups are present, and in 3 Cl group minus I effect is present. So B, A, and after D you can go this D, because here no group are present in which is plus I, because here CS3 group show the plus I effect, and my dear students, minus I effect is in proportional to this minus I is proportional to acidity of carboxylic acid, but when you can see the plus I effect is the just opposite, it is the inversely proportional. So in this way you can see the answer, and you can answer, you can go the answer A. That's why 32 answer you can get the answer A. First is B, after this B then A is come, and after A you can get D and then C. Now my dear students, next question, this 32 question is asked in 2012. Now we can see next question, that is question number 33, which is asked in NEET 2011. You can solve this question my dear students with the concept and reactions. First of all, in these questions, if conversions are there, then you can write the reactions. Here we can the right reaction. An organic compound, you can see organic compound A, treatment with V, that ammonia gives V, which on heating gives C, and when this C is reacts with bromine and QH, then you can get ethylamine. My dear students, it is a conversion of compounds and you get ethylamine, means you go from this compound ethylamine, and the structure of ethylamine is C2H5NH2. First of all, you can go this ethylamine, and when this ethylamine is present in this reaction, and this is formed from bromine and QH, means here you can learn that this Hofmann bromide reaction, okay, it's a very important reaction, and it's a name reaction my dear students, Hofmann bromide reaction. In this Hofmann bromide reaction my dear students, one carbon atom less is present in the amine, and this Hofmann bromide reaction all occur on this amides. When you can get this CH3, CH2, CO, NH2, then you can get this amine by the reaction of this bromine and QH. Because here this ethylamine you can get the C2H5 group, and here this is the C2H5 group, that is why you can replace this CONH2 group here, and by the replace of this CONH2 group you can get the C2H5NH2 group. Now this is the your C compound, because it is a Hofmann bromide reaction. Hofmann bromide reaction converts the ethylamine. Now this amide is obtained by the heating of this B compound, and this B compound is formed by the reaction with A and ammonia. Now you can get this ammonia is reacts with which acid to get, here you can see the 3 carbon atoms are present. That is why here when 3 carbon atoms are present, it means this acid must be a 3 carbon atom, means it is a CH3, CH2, COOH. this acid must be a 3 carbon atoms, and you can get the 3 carbon acids, that is a propanoic acid. 1, 2, 3. When this, my dear students, propanoic acid is heated with, when this propanoic acid is heated with ammonia, then you can get that this CH3, CH2, then you can get the CH3, CH2, COONH4. When you heating this compound COONH4 plus ions and minus ions, it is the ammonium salt of this propanoic acid, ammonium salt. This is the ammonium salt. When, my dear students, you heating this ammonium salt in presence of P2O5 or direct heating, then, my dear students, you can get this CH3, CH2, CONH2 by the removal of water molecule. So, this CH3, CH2, CONH2, when you convert this ethylamine by the reaction of Br2 and QH, in this way, my dear students, a compound in question asked what is the compound of A, then compound of A is this one CH3, CH2, COOH, and you can go this answer B. And this question is asked in NEET 2011, my dear students, and when we see the question number 34, and this is the question number 34, again this question, concept of this question is the acidity, and concept is the question acidity is proportional to concept of this question. It is the same concept, and this question is asked in NEET 2007. Acidity of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is proportional to minus I group. My dear students, here you can see the minus I group, chlorine, CH2, COOH, then acetic acid, bromine, and this is wrong answer because all halogens are present when in with the acetic acid, then acidity increases. So, it is a wrong because here only acetic acid is come before this bromine and chlorine. So, next B option, Br, Cl, F and CH3. Here you can see the F 4.0 electron volt here, chlorine approximately 3.0 electron volt, and less than chlorine, electronegativity is less than chlorine of this bromine. So, this is also a wrong answer because here bromine is a less. When less the electronegativity, my dear student, it is also a concept, less electronegativity means less minus I effect. So, in this way we can determine the acidity of this compound. Here we can go the C, F, Cl, Br and CH3. Yes, this is the answer. Why this is answer? Because in fluorine 4.0 electron volt electronegativity is, that is why minus I effect is more, and here 3 electron volt electronegativity, that's minus I effect is less, and in Br electronegativity is less than 3.0, that is 2.9 or 2 point something 7. So, electronegativity is less than chlorine. So, acidity is less than chloroacetic acid, and here no minus I effect is present, that is why it is a weaker acid. So, you can go the option number C, and this question is asked in NEET 2007. Now, my dear students, when we see the question number 35, here this is a question asked in 2005. Here this is also a conversion question, and when we can see the conversion, acetic acid means you can write this reaction, acetic acid. My dear students, when acetic acid reacts with this SOCl2, SOCl2 it is a thionyl chloride, and this thionyl chloride break down this oxygen atom here, and you can give this SO2 molecule as well as this HCl molecule, and you can get this CH3COCl. Here, my dear student, that CH3COCl when reacts with this benzene group C6H6, this is the benzene group, and this benzene group reacts with in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What is the name reaction of this compound? You can recall, my dear students, what is the name of this compound? Yes, this is the name of this compound is a Friedel. Yes, this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, and you know very well in this Friedel-Crafts reaction, this CO acyl group, this acyl group is attached with this benzene ring. When, my dear students, this acyl group attached with this benzene ring, then you can convert this compound is CH5COCH3, and my dear student, this compound is called acetophenone. This compound is called acetophenone. Here, when this acetophenone, my dear students, when reacts with HCN, what is the conversion and what is the addition product is found, my dear students? You can see this is a carbonyl group is present here. That's why here you can see this is the CO CH3 group is present. So, my dear students, when COCH3 group is present, oxygen atom is more electronegative than carbon. So, minus and plus charge are present. This HCN is broken down, positive part and negative part, plus charge is attached on this. So, my dear students, you can get what is the addition product. You can see here, that is the addition product. You can write here addition product of this compound, that is COH, here CN, here this is the CH3. Now, my dear student, this product, when addition of HCN, this product you can obtain, and when this product is then hydrolysis by water. Here, my dear students, when you see the reaction, this is number 1 reaction, this is the number 1. When this SOCl2 reacts with acetic acid, then you can get acyl chloride, and this is a compound A acyl chloride. When this acyl chloride further reacts with this benzene ring in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is called Friedel-Crafts reaction, and you can get the product B. This is our product B, and it is the acetophenone. My dear students, when this acetophenone reacts with this HCN, you can get the product C, and this is the product C. It is the acetophenone. Acetophenone when reacts with HCN, then you can get the product C. This is product C, my dear students. It is the same product. It is the same product. We can write the structure formula of this acetophenone. It is also acetophenone. It is a acetophenone. Structure formula of acetophenone. So, you can get the same product, this B, and it is also a B product. When this B product reacts with this HCN, and you can get this cyanohydrin group C product. Now, my dear students, when this C product is heated with water or hydrolyzed by water, then what you get? This is hydrolysis by water, what you get. This is the, my dear students, this is the concept. Always cyanide group is converted into acid by the hydrolysis. So, you can get the then you can get the OH, here COOH, and here CH3. This is your asymmetric carbon atom, my dear students, and this is the D product. Here A, B, C and D product. This is your D product. And the structure of D would be, it is a structure, you can see structure here, this is not structure here, and this is C, Cn, OH not, this is not a structure. Here CH2 no, here benzene group is attached with directly carbon. So, my dear students, this is the structure benzene carbon, COOH and OH and CH3. So, my dear students, answer of 35 is a D option is the correct answer. In question number 36, which one of the following orders of acid strength is correct? My dear students, it is a very important questions because it is a simplest question. Here concept, what is the concept? concept is that always carboxylic acid, you know, always any carboxylic acid is always more acidic than water, and water is always more acidic than primary alcohol. That is the primary alcohol, and my dear students, primary alcohols are always acidic than alkynes, and this is the concept. And according to this concept, my dear students, you can see the answer, and you can see the answer, you can go the answer B. Why? Because RCWH is a carboxylic acid, it is a water, and it's alcohol, and it's a alkynes. So you can go this, you can go option B. Okay, this is the concept of that question, and this question is asked in 2003. My dear students, in chemistry, if you get concept, then you can easily solve the problems. If you have not concept of the reaction, or if you not learn the name reactions, then you cannot solve these questions. So please, my dear students, you learn the concept and learn the name reactions, reactants and products, and solve these neat questions. Now when we go to the question number 37, in a set of given reactions, acetic acid yielded a product C. Here, my dear students, concept, what is the concept of this question? Here PCl5 get A. First of all, any organic containing compound, concept of this question, any organic oxygen, containing compounds, any organic containing oxygen containing compound, alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, or those compounds in which oxygen atom is present, any organic containing oxygen containing compounds reacts with PCl5 to give here POCl3 plus organic halides. This is the, you get concept number 1. Here this concept number 1 is used in this reaction. Here you can see the acetic acid reacts with PCl5. That is why, my dear students, here POCl3 is evolved plus HCl is evolved, and you can get A option, that is CH3COCl. My dear student, this CH3COCl when reacts with benzene and hydroxyl3, here you can say the same compound, that is this benzene reacts with CH3COCl, and you can get the COCH3 acetophenone. When this acetophenone reacts with this ethyl magnesium chloride, here negative charge is present on this ethyl group, and you can get the plus charge. Then you can see the tertiary alcohol. Means this C2H5 is also attached with this compound, and OH group is present. In this way, you see the tertiary alcohol is present in D option, and in D option this tertiary alcohol is present. So this is a basic reaction. Always Grignard and GR reacts with ketone to form a tertiary alcohol. Here you can see that this is the secondary alcohol, that is why it is not answer. Here ketone, it is not answer. Here you can see the secondary alcohol, it is not answer, and answer is this one, because in this compound, in this option, you can get the tertiary alcohol. Now my dear students, this is the question number 38, and this question is asked in year 2000. Reduction by LLH4 of hydrolyzed product of an ester gives. And what is the concept of this question? Here we can see the concept. Here first of all you can write the reaction CH3COO C2H5. My dear friends, it is esters Now my dear student, this ester is reduced by LiALH4. Then you can get the 4 nascent hydrogen, and this 4 nascent hydrogen you can, here this 3 hydrogen is attached with this and 1 hydrogen atom is attached this. Then you can get the CS3 CH2H, 1 mole of this and another mole of C2H5OH. Why? Because this is the C2H5OH and here the CO group is converted to CH2H group. So you can get 2 moles, 1 mole of this and 1 mole of this. So you can get the 2 moles of alcohols, and both are alcohols. Both are the alcohols. So you can get the 2 moles of alcohol, and answer you can go answer number A, option A. Because my dear student, this is LiLH4 is a strongest oxidizing agent, strongest reducing agent, and when this strongest reducing agent is reduce these esters to give these alcohols. So in next question, 39 question, my dear students, here this question is asked in 1994 NEET exams. What is the reaction of this question? First of all, you can see the acyl halide. My dear students, acyl halides are the CH3COCl are called acyl halides. In this acyl halide, you can see here acyl halide is formed when PCl5 reacts, means acyl halide is the product. So you can here write the reaction A reacts with PCl5, and to give the acyl halides means CH3COCl. Here my dear students, what is the A? Here what is the A? A reacts with PCl5 to give acyl halide, and what is the A? Here A is the oxygen containing compound, it must be a oxygen containing compound, and which are easily reacts with PCl5 to give CH3COCl. So you go to the acetic acid. Why? Because acetic acid reacts with this PCl5 to this, it is give us POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride plus HCl and plus CH3COCl. In this way, this is the reaction, means A compound is the acetic acid. So you can go the 39, option is the C. This is the correct answer. Now my dear students, we can go the question number 40. This question number 40 is asked in NEET 1992. What is the concept and what is the reaction of this question? You can see here, first of all, we can prepare the reaction according to this question. A is a lighter phenol, means here A is a lighter phenol. Lighter phenol means A is the phenol. And what is the molecular formula of phenol? This is a OH, and this compound is called phenol. Lighter phenol means only one benzening is present with single OH group, or you can also say that OH group is directly attached with this benzening. This phenol is further reacts with B is an aromatic carboxylic acid, and B is an aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay, this is a B, aromatic carboxylic acid, and you say this compound is a benzoic acid. You say this compound is a benzoic acid, and this is the B compound. Now my dear students, this A and B are separated because both are present in the mixture, and this question wants you can separate these A and B. Which reagents you use to separate these both phenol and benzoic acid? Number 1 is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. A option is the NaOH. B option is the sodium sulphate, Na2SO4. C option is the calcium chloride, and D option is the sodium bicarbonate. Here my dear students, NaOH is reacts both phenol and benzoic acid. So, this is not answer. Sodium hydroxide reacts with both compound, that's so it is not answer. Sodium sulphate is also reacts both because sodium ions reacts both. Sodium sulphate is soluble in water as well as calcium chloride is also soluble in water. So, it is not reacts with this. Only answer is D. Why sodium bicarbonate is the answer? Why? Because my dear student, this sodium bicarbonate reacts with carboxylic acid to evolve carbon dioxide. When this is reacts with NaHCO3 with this compound to evolve carbon dioxide. Because in this compound carbon dioxide is not present, COH group is not present, that is why carbon dioxide is not evolved. So, my dear students, answer is D, and D is the correct answer. This question asked in 1992 NEET exams. Now, my dear students, next question is question number 41, which is asked in 1988. What is the following is the strongest acid? Concept is same. What is the concept of this question? Concept is same. Acidity of carboxylic acid. Acidity of carboxylic acid is proportional to minus I effect groups. Those groups which produce the minus I effect are present in the compound in acids, then those compounds give those acids are the stronger acid. Here you can see here this chlorine, one chlorine is present. Here you can see option B, one chlorine is present here also, and here no chlorine atom is present. So, this D is not answer, A is not answer here, this Cl and Cl, one chlorine atom is present, but in this chlorine atom present in 1, 2, third carbon atom, and here my dear students, this chlorine atom is present on second carbon atoms, that is why this chlorine is nearer to this carbon atom than this option number B. Here this chlorine is present on third carbon atom, here chlorine is present on second carbon atom, that is why you can go to the question number option number C, and option number C is the correct answer. Now, my dear students, when we can see the question number 42, in question number 42, match the compounds given in list 1 with list 2 and select the suitable option using the codes given below. Here you can see the list 1 and list 2, benzaldehyde, phthalic anhydride, phenyl benzoate, methyl salicylate. Here if you know the reactions, then you can get the answer, because this question is come in NEET 2011. Now, my dear students, here you can see the benzaldehyde. When benzaldehyde is always give us this benzoin condensation. First is benzoin condensation 2. You can see here A4 means it is not answer. A4 this is B is not answer. Here A2 it may be answer, and A2 it may be answer. So, you can see that this C and D option, not you can see A and B option. This is the way to obtain the answers within a time limit. Now, my dear students, and this is also trick, this B third and B1. If you can get the B, phthalic anhydride, this phthalic anhydride is go to the phenolphthalein. If you see the reaction of phthalic anhydride with phenol to form a phenolphthalein, I give you small hint with reaction. This is, my dear student, this is the phthalic anhydride, and with this phthalic anhydride reacts with 2 molecules of phenol, 1 molecule of this and another molecule of this, and 2 molecule of phenols are reacts with, this is the hydrogen atom and this is the hydrogen atom, and in this way this water molecule is removed, and when this water molecule is removed, you can get this compound C double bond O, C double bond O, this carbon atom is attached with this phenolic part, and another phenolic part is also attached with this, and this compound is called HPH means phenolphthalein. This compound is called phenolphthalein, and short name of phenolphthalein is called HPH. So, my dear students, here you can see this B for this 1 means C and D, you go the must be go the D, because B for 1 and A for 2. So, C and D, C is 4th means phenyl benzoate, gives Fry's rearrangement, and methyl salicylate, another name of methyl salicylate is called oil of wintergreen. What is the oil of wintergreen? My dear student, this is the methyl salicylate, another name of methyl salicylate is the oil of wintergreen. You must be learn this oil of wintergreen, methyl salicylate, another name. See the question number 43. Here, among the given compound, the most susceptible to nucleophile attack at the carbonyl group is. What is the nucleophilic addition or substitution in carbonyl group, and what is the concept? My dear students, when you see the concept of this question, here this is the carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group, when this nucleophile is attack on this carbonyl group, what is the nucleophile, my dear students? Nucleophiles are those compounds in which lone pair of electrons are present. When lone pair of electrons are present, those are called nucleophile. That is why oxygen get negative charge and this carbon get positive charge. So, in this positive charge present on this carbon and negative charge present on this oxygen in carbonyl group. Now, this nucleophile lone pair of electrons attack on this carbon atom. My dear students, this nucleophile attack on that carbonyl group in which positive charges are more. So, this nucleophilic addition is occur, it is only when positivity is more, and positivity is come from the attachment of those group which attracts the electrons. Here you can see the question, here NH2 group, here electronegativity of NH2, and here you can see the OCO group are attached with both side, then with oxygen, here OCS3 group. Means you can see here when CS3 group is present here and Cl group is present here directly with carbon atom, then this Cl group directly attack on this carbon, and due to inductive effect negative charge present on this chlorine and positive charge present on this carbon atom. So, this carbon atom more electron deficient and positive charges increases, and due to increase of this positive charges, this nucleophilic attack on this carbonyl carbon, and you can get this, you can go option D, because here CH3COCl in nucleophilic attack is more. When you can see here CH3CO, CO, OCH3 and CH3, CH3 group and CH3 group both are, when you attach here CH3, CO and OCH3, my dear student, this CH3 group are electron repelling group, here OCH3 group is also electron repelling group. So, electron repelling group decrease the positive nature of this carbocation. So, it is not answer. And when you can go this CH3CONH2 group, this electronegativity of this nitrogen, this is option A. So, it is not answer. If you can see the option B, CH3CONH2 group, here my dear students, electronegativity of this nitrogen is less than chlorine. So, positively charged is developed through this nitrogen is less than the chlorine. So, it is not answer with compared to this chlorine. After this, when we can see this ester is formed CH3, CO and here OCOCH3. This compound is called OCOCH3. CO, CS3. My dear students, this oxygen atom is more electronegative, but you can see minutely this oxygen atom attached by here 2 CO group. This oxygen atom is attached by this here 2 CO group 1 and 2. And when this 2 CO group is attached by this carbon atom, so here this carbon atom is also electron deficient and this carbon atom is also electron deficient. So, power of this oxygen is divided into two parts. So, power is half. When 3.5 electronegativity is divided by 2, then you can get the 1.75, and this 1.75 is less than the electronegativity of chlorine, that is 3. So, my dear students, answer you can go the answer D. Now, my dear students, we see the question number 44, which is asked in 2006. Self condensation of 2 moles of ethyl acetate in presence of sodium methoxide. Here, my dear students, you can, if you know the reaction of this compound, then you can easily get the answer. Here, my dear students, ethyl acetate, formula of ethyl acetate is this one, and another mole, because you can, this question can see the 2 mole of ethyl acetate. So, you can see here this 2 moles of ethyl acetate are reacts with each other to form in presence of sodium methoxide, then you can get this C2H5 OH. One hydrogen atom is removed from this C2H5 group. So, you can get the C2H5 OH 1 and you can get the CS3 CO. This C2H5 means CH2 CS3, CH2 CH2. Here CS3 group, one hydrogen atom is go with this C2H5O group. So, you can get here CH2 group, CS3 CO, CH2 CH2 and COO C2H5, and this compound is, my dear students, are called acetoacetic ester. This compound is called acetoacetic acid. So, you can go, the answer is C30, C44 question, and which is asked in 2006. Now, my dear friends, this is the question number 45, which is asked in 1998. Which one of the following esters cannot undergo Claisen self condensation? Claisen self condensation. My dear students, it is necessary those compounds only go the Claisen self condensation in which alpha hydrogen atoms are present, as well as here with alpha hydrogen atom these compounds are formed higher ester. What is the Claisen self condensation? You can see this concept, lower esters, which are lower esters to form higher esters in which alpha hydrogen atom is present, in which alpha hydrogen atoms are present. So, here my dear students, answer is B. You can see that this is the phenyl group is directly attached with this CO group, and this lone pair ketones are this go in the benzening. Here you can see when this is the cyclohexane, it is not a this aromatic ring. So, electrons are not directly go to the benzening. So, here benzening, this is the first compound, and second one is the concept when CO group directly attached with aromatic ring, CO group is directly attached with aromatic ring, do not show Claisen condensation. So, my dear student, it is a 2 concept. Here this CO group is directly attached with this CH5 group, phenyl group, and these lone pair electrons are go in the phenyl group. That is why here this oxygen atom is not break down this carbon atom. So, this Claisen self condensation is not occur. My dear students, in this crash course we can see the all questions which are asked in 1998 to 2020, and we can solve these questions with the concepts and reactions. Hope, my dear students, you can learn these concepts and solve the future questions which are coming in your exams. Thank you very much.